baci come cuore innamorato. Questo è l'alfabeto dell'amore.
Hey everyone, it's Ross here from Tait Real Estate. Welcome to Thirsty Thursdays.
And I'm Jamie, and we're down here at Sticks and Stones with a special guest, Brandon. And what are you going to make for us, Brandon?
Today we're making a Bourbon Sour, so it's a pretty simple cocktail that you generally have ingredients ready for your house. So first off, we're going to start with our shaker here. We're going to crack an egg and just take the egg white there. Make sure you're avoiding letting that yolk fall. So there we go, not totally glamorous there, but good enough. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take 1.5 ounces of bullet bourbon. Then we're going to take 3/4 ounces of lemon juice. And 3/4 ounces of simple syrup. Then we're going to take 2 dashes of agro bitters. That was 3, but that works as well. We're going to throw some ice in there. We're then going to strain the drink into another shaker where we're going to dry. Then you're going to dry shake it, get that nice frothiness. Here we go again here. Beautiful. More coupes here. We're then going to strain and double strain into the glass. Beautiful. We're going to then take our Hear the Sound of Bitters again. We're going to add a few drops on there, some Garnish. We're going to take our bamboo stick. We're going to stir right through it. And there we go. Beautiful. Bourbon Sour for you. Give it a try, boys.
Go ahead, Jamie.
Okay.
This is called a what again? Bourbon Sour?
Bourbon Sour.
Bourbon Sour.
Oh yeah. I'd walk back for one of those. That is good.
Very good.
Good
job, Brandon.
Thanks for having me up, boys.
Thanks again to Sticks and Stones for having us down here.